Hi guys, good afternoon, and it's already uh, 3:45. So we are here now in Sual, Pangasinan, and we are trying to go to Masamiray Beach Resort, and we are here in the power plant, the Sual power plant there at my back, and this is the Cabaletian Island. So there's also a beach there. Some people go there, but you have to ride a boat to go there. Okay. So later, and we'll see you later in Masamiray. Okay. Bye. Hi guys, nakarating na kami dito sa Masamiray, Sual, Pangasinan. So maganda yung dagat nila dito. Kalmadong kalmado. Ayan. Kalmadong kalmado yung dagat. Kaya ang gandang maligo. So, nakita na natin tong lugar. So, baka next week dito tayo maliligo. So, yan yung dagat. Kalmadong kalmado. Okay guys, tapos na kaming tumingin dito sa Masamiray Cove dito sa Sual, Pangasinan. Okay, so that's it. We're heading home now because it's getting dark na. It's already almost 5 p.m. So bye now and see ya. I'm here at Sausalito Restaurant here in Sual, Pangasinan. So kagagaling natin ng Masamiray, and this is Sausalito. Okay guys, so iinom lang ng malamig and uuwi na rin tayo maya maya. Okay, bye.